So then guys, it's already connected. Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your H9 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, for today's videos, I'm going to show you on how to connect your H9 smartwatch to your smartphone. So we have here our smartphone guys. All we have to do is we are just going to look for the QR code. Okay, so here it is. It's the QR code and let's scan that one. You can use your camera and you can just scan the QR code directly. But if you have problem, you can just use Google Lens, okay, and scan the QR code. Okay, so it has, let's scan it. Okay, and voila guys, so it directs us to Harry Fine application. So let's tap on Google Play Store download and let's just tap on install. Okay. Okay, so it says there guys, installing. Okay, and after that let's tap open and tap on agree and tap on allow. Just tap on allow guys. So let's just tap log in directly, and before that you just tap I have read and agree policy. Okay, and log in directly. If you don't have email account, you can just log in directly, and you can remember this, your account number and your password. Confirm. Okay, so let's just try guys. You can put your nickname, okay, whichever you like. Okay, let's just, for example, tap on confirm, and here wants to use the Bluetooth, and just use, and you can just toggle Harry Fine if you want to turn on the notification. And let's go guys to me, and then tap on search device. Okay, tap on allow. Okay, let's tap on permissions and tap on nearby device. Okay. And location. So let's tap on allow only while using the app. Okay, search device. Let's wait. And it has now detected our H9 smartwatch. Just tap that one. Okay, connecting. So device connected successfully. Allow access your contact. So just tap that one here. Okay, so let's check guys if it's really working. So let's tap on find my watch. Okay, the bracelet has been found. Alright, so it's just very easy guys. Again, all you have to do is you're going to scan the QR code and then download the application, and after that you're going to set it up. And if you have any questions, you can watch the this video again for you to connect your H9 smartwatch successfully. Alright guys, so if you have any questions or concerns, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and we'll see you in our next video.